Narrator: DJI partnering with Huawei. Now that's unexpected. Rumors are swirling that DJI, the king of drones, is stepping into the mirrorless camera market, and they might not be alone. Reports suggest that Huawei could be joining forces with them, a move that could shake up the entire camera industry. Could this be the beginning of China's takeover of the Japanese-dominated camera market? Let's break it all down. The origin of the rumor: visual, screenshot of Weibo post and fast technology article. Narrator: the buzz started on Chinese social media platform Weibo and was later picked up by fast technology. The claim: DJI and Huawei are in talks to enter the DSLR and mirrorless camera market together. And honestly, it makes a lot of sense. Why this partnership makes sense: visual, DJI drones, Ronin gimbals, and Huawei smartphones in action. Narrator: DJI is a powerhouse in imaging technology, known for high-end stabilization and intelligent shooting modes. Meanwhile, Huawei has been a leader in computational photography, bringing eye-powered imaging to smartphone cameras. Imagine a camera system that blends the best of both worlds: top-tier optics, eye-enhanced image processing, and a seamless user experience. DJI's camera credentials: visual, DJI Ronin 4D, Zenmuse X5R, Hasselblad cameras. Narrator: unlike other Chinese brands struggling to break into the camera market, DJI has a solid foundation. They're a member of the Micro Four Thirds MFT and L-mount alliances, giving them access to established lens ecosystems. Plus, they own Hasselblad, meaning they have access to top-tier color science and image processing expertise. Huawei's role: visual, Huawei P and Mate series phones, eye-enhanced photography demos. Narrator: Huawei was once at the forefront of smartphone photography, often outpacing Apple and Samsung in low-light performance and zoom capabilities. Despite US trade restrictions, their expertise in computational photography could push mirrorless cameras into a new era. Think high-powered scene detection, real-time image enhancements, and smart exposure controls. What kind of camera can we expect? Visual, concept renders of a full-frame mirrorless camera with DJI branding. Narrator: rumors point toward a full-frame L-mount camera rather than an MFT system. Why? Full-frame cameras offer superior image quality and broader lens compatibility, making them more appealing to professionals and enthusiasts. That said, DJI's history with smaller sensors means an MFT option isn't entirely off the table, especially if they want to create a compact, travel-friendly powerhouse. The challenge is visual. US trade restriction headlines, Sony, Nikon, Canon product showcase. Narrator: but it's not all smooth sailing. The biggest hurdle: geopolitics. Both DJI and Huawei face US trade restrictions, making it difficult to enter one of the world's largest camera markets. Plus, the camera industry is already fiercely competitive. Breaking into a market dominated by Sony, Canon, and Nikon won't be easy. Winning over professionals and enthusiasts will require aggressive pricing, superior performance, and smart marketing. Final thoughts: visual, DJI and Huawei logos merging into a question mark. Narrator: if these rumors turn out to be true, DJI and Huawei could shake up the camera industry in a way we haven't seen in decades. A camera that fuses professional-grade optics with AI-driven enhancements could redefine what we expect from mirrorless systems. But will they succeed? Only time will tell. Visual, call to action graphics. Narrator: what do you think? Can DJI and Huawei take on the giants of the camera world? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching.